Thank you for watching. If you just watched this video, I really appreciate you. I hope you love it, and I hope you love subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, please. It will do us a lot of good. We just found out that the percentage of people that are watching and not subscribing is really high. Please, 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 we encourage you to please subscribe so that our channel will grow. Yes, and we'll be encouraged to bring more amazing recipes. Thank you so much. Share it with your friends and families. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be able to see more amazing recipes that we share here in Callista's Recipe. Follow us on all our social media platforms and also support us. Thank you so much. I will see you again in my next video.